All right, so let's go and have a look at some possible ways and ideas where we could use this in our classroom. All right, number one, group research projects. So we could assign different groups specific topics. So we may have a whole unit and we're looking at doing some summaries in preparation for an end of year or end of course examination or an assessment task. And we could actually allocate different groups a different topic or a different kind of focus. And within that group, those students can collect videos, articles, resources, images, anything that they deem worthy or relevant, and add them to that collection, which can then be shared with your entire class. So we're breaking it down. It might be a chapter summary, it might be a unit summary, but we're getting our students to focus on a specific area, which is then going to be shared with the students and your class as a whole. What a great idea, a simple way to use Wakelet by creating some group research projects. All right, number two, we could use Wakelet as a classroom magazine. Okay, how cool would this be? So we could have our students create a digital magazine, and our students could contribute articles and images and videos related to that theme or subject. And then maybe you push that particular classroom magazine out to your parents or the school community to show them what is happening. How cool is that? A different way to create a magazine slash newsletter using Wakelet. And our third idea for our first way to use Wakelet tonight is that we can create history timelines. So students can contribute historical events, images, and descriptions to create a comprehensive timeline on Wakelet. All right. Now, I absolutely love this idea, and I have tried this idea before with students where they were required to create a virtual, a visual timeline. Or I think we were studying and looking at Tim Burton. So they were required to create a timeline using Wakelet, but they were able to include those events. They were able to include text, images. They were able to put in movie trailers. They could do so much to make the timeline really pop and come alive. So three really simple but really effective ways to use Wakelet to create collaborative class projects with your students. How cool is that? Such a versatile tool, and that is why I love this tool so much.